All the attention in the crypto space right now is on perp dexes. You have the Aster Airdrop, which I made a few videos on, which will be happening on October 14th for stage 2. You obviously have Hyperliquid, which was one of the biggest airdrops we've ever seen in the space. But this one that I'm talking about today might be even better and definitely worth farming. And this is called Lighter, another very popular platform. If we look at the volume recently on Lighter is this yellow line, and you can see that in the last week, it's basically been doing the same volume as Hyperliquid. So this is going to be another really big perpetual DEX, and it doesn't have nearly the same amount of attention as, for example, Aster. Everyone started farming Aster, and that's why you want to start farming Lighter as soon as possible, because they're distributing 250,000 points every week. And obviously, if you get in early before the masses, you will just get a lot more of those points. I have friends that have already gathered hundreds of points, and 1 point at the moment is selling for anywhere between $60 and $80. So if you have 100 points, that's already $6,000 to $8,000 worth of value, and it is expected to grow even further. The biggest selling point of Lighter is the fact that they have 0% fees. So you can literally trade however much you want, and you won't lose any money to fees. It's the only big perpetual DEX that does 0 fees. So if you are an active trader, you might as well use Lighter because it is the best one at the moment, which will save you a lot of money in the long term for the fees. Now, just a few days ago, they did come out of their private beta and launched the public mainnet. And as you can see right here, the first season of the Lighter points program concluded, but second season is starting, planned to run through the end of 2025. So you do still have almost 3 months. So this is more of a long-term play, but if you start out now, I think it's great value for your money, especially since it is a 0% fee DEX anyway. So if you just make Lighter your go-to and main trading DEX for the rest of the year, you will automatically be gathering a lot of points in the process. Lighter also has a lot of public backing by, for example, Vlad, the founder and CEO of Robinhood. Arthur Hayes has congratulated them on mainnet. So many big investors and profiles are publicly supporting Lighter. Kaizen Trading, which is a research firm, have also published a lot of information about this airdrop, and the outcome is super interesting at the moment, because basically if it launches at a $5 billion fully diluted value, it's estimated that each single point will be worth $125. And for reference, Aster right now is trading at $16 billion fully diluted value, and Hyperliquid, I believe, is at like 40 billion fully diluted value. So 5 billion is still pretty conservative. So I honestly think we can easily see Lighter trade at over $100 per point. I started farming this myself like 5 days ago, so I haven't gotten any points yet because they distribute the points every Tuesday. So later today, when I'm recording this video, I will get my first points. If you do want to sign up, make sure you use my link down below. I currently have 54 in my links remaining, but if they run out, I will try to get more, and it just helps support the channel when you use that link. But overall, this is what the platform looks like. It looks similar to most of your other perpetual DEXs, but it is a great UI and UX. I currently only have a Solana trade open, but you can naturally trade any pairs, Bitcoin and Ethereum up to 50x. And they have basically every other token that you would want. You have the order book, you have the trades, you have the amount of leverage, you have isolated or cross. You can obviously go long and go short, put limit orders, but when you do get started, you obviously need to deposit some money. So just click on deposit right here. The way that I did it, and the best way, is just to connect a wallet like MetaMask. You can deposit on any of these chains. I have 300 USDC on Arbitrum in my MetaMask, so I can just click 300 USDC, click on confirm. So it will take a few minutes for the money to actually arrive, but that is basically how we do it. Super simple stuff. You then have your portfolio right here. You have public pools, you have the leaderboard, and then if you're into like quant or API keys, etc., you can find that under tools, and under more, you can find all of their documents, white paper, support, etc., if you want to research it more for yourself. But the main way to earn points, like most of the other perpetual DEXs, is to just have trading volume. By trading on Lighter, you will be earning points. Now, they are also pretty strict with watch trading, so try to keep your trades open for at least like 15 to 30 minutes. That is the recommended amount. But other than that, the higher the volume, the more trades you do, the more points you will get. And the 250,000 points per week will be distributed by the amount of people trading and how much volume you do. So the more people using Lighter, the less points you'll get, because it's still the 250,000 points being distributed to more people. So the earlier you get in, the higher the chance you have of actually getting a substantial amount of points. Now, if you're not an experienced trader, but you still want to farm Lighter in a neutral way that will lose you the least amount of money and actually farm you 2 airdrops at once, you can actually use a neutral strategy with Aster and Lighter. Now, the Aster Stage 2 points program did end, but Stage 3 has started, which will last for the next month until like mid-November. And since Lighter also has no fees, this neutral strategy won't lose you that much money. You will only be paying a little bit of fees on Aster, but how this neutral strategy works is that you just do the exact opposite trade on Lighter as on Aster. So for example, on Lighter, I could open a 10x long on Bitcoin, and on Aster, I could open a 10x short on Bitcoin. Make sure you open them at the same exact time. Then you can use take profit and stop loss to make sure you also exit at the same exact time. So for example, if I just used $100 margin, I shorted on Aster and I went long on Lighter, these trades will automatically cancel each other out. Just make sure you use the opposite take profit and stop loss on both the platforms. So I have take profit on Lighter as 125,000, but on Aster, I have that as my stop loss because I'm obviously going short and not long. And it's just a great way to farm volume on both platforms while not losing any money except for a bit of fees on Aster. If you haven't signed up to Aster yet, I will also leave my Aster link down below, and you can also join my team with the code down below to get a 1.5x boost. But basically, if there is one airdrop that you should be focusing on moving forward that doesn't have nearly the same amount of attention and users as, for example, Aster, it is Lighter. You have 3 months to get started, but the earlier you do get started before the masses, the more points you will earn, and it's basically less competition. So make sure to check it out. Make sure to sign up with the link down below. I'll try to get some more in my links as well. If you enjoyed the video and found any value in it, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions at all, let me know down below, or you can join my Telegram. I answer all sorts of questions in there. If you are looking for the best crypto exchange out there, you can get up to $30,000 in welcome bonuses on ByBit by using my link down below too. Now with that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.